Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this gift of mine that I got from a friend. Some Drosera in here and I'm very excited to see what we got. So stick around. If you're new to this channel and you are not sure what we're really about, this channel is dedicated to the care and cultivation of plants, and more specifically carnivorous plants. With over 9 years of experience, I really hope that this channel will be able to help you grow your plants. Let's jump right into it. So in today's video, we will be unboxing this gift I got of a friend of mine. He sent me some sundews. I'm not really sure which type of sundews it is, but hopefully it's something nice, something that I don't have yet. And so let's just see what it is. Got our scissors here to open it up. And let me just put you onto this bucket so that we can have a better view of everything. And there we go. So let's start opening this up. See what we got. So this box looks quite well packed. Lots of tape on here because you have to use a lot of tape in this country, or else the stuff that you use gets stolen. So it looks like it's fun. Let's open it up some more. Okay. So I just took off my address, and as you can see, the box is still not open. So let's just open it up again together. Looks nice and well packed. Lots of bubble wrap for protection, which is really good. And there's a little bottle on top here just for some protection, which is also really good. I know lots of companies in America use other pots and stuff like this, and also in England, like Hunt's Flytrap in England, they use another pot on top just to keep the plant protected. And I think it's best carnivorous plants in America that also use little cups just to keep the plant protected. Even though the plant was well protected and all that, it did get knocked out of the ground a bit. And I'm not really sure which plant we got here. It looks like there's a little bit of a weed here. Let's pack everything in. Looks like there's a little bit of a root up here. Little sundew here. Looks like it's a root. Oof. And there's another one here. There's another one over there. There's actually quite a bit of babies on this side. You can see here. Just worried as they're not really like inside of the soil that well. Not sure how they even. Oh, so these are. Okay, that's quite interesting. So I pulled this one off of the leaf. It's a leaf. It's leaf propagation, and the actual leaf I pulled off of the plant. So obviously these leaves have been on the soil for quite a while, which have allowed these baby ones to sprout, which is quite interesting. So I'm just gonna go get some soil now, so we can fix up all the soil here and plant up all these little babies. And here we've got my squirty bottle too. So I'm just watering the plant now just to get rid of all of the like space bubbles that have arisen from the shipping. because as it gets dislodged, little clumps get moved up and then makes space underneath. So, but just using water, you help to flatten that. And let's just put these little leaf cuttings down. And now I'm just going to use some of the peat and perlite media just to fill in all the gaps and then water it down some more. And now let's just spray it just to get all of the new peat nice and moist as well. So what I want to know is if anyone knows what kind of Drosera this is. This is not it. Neither is this. This is our other Venus fly traps. And this is another Venus flytrap here. So if you have any idea which kind of Drosera this is, let me know in the comments below, and whoever gets it right, I'll pin you. So tell me what you think it is. So here's our plant all potted up and ready to go back into the sunlight. I'm actually going to take the plants upstairs now. So stick around. So there we go. We have the new plant in its environment, all freshly potted up. We have all the plants starting to come out of dormancy now. Some Venus flytraps here just starting to grow. There at the back. Flower coming out for that Sarracenia flower. All of the pygmy Drosera starting to grow again. Valencia back here, growing nicely. Capensis Baines Claw for tons of babies at the back. Some baby pygmies sticking out of the ground there. More Capensis. Got the Filiformis just starting to grow there. Capensis Red with its flowers. And we have this new addition here. And Sarracenias are also coming out. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Remember to subscribe as well if you want to see more of this content every week. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.